Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the problem which I faced for my home, which is the leakage of my parapet wall at the below. See, everywhere is dampness, but how it occurs? See, at the time I recorded this video, see the water drops are coming out from my parapet wall. Actually, a water supply pipeline is direct, so I called the plumber. I asked him. He said, "Sir, it's not my fault, sir. Actually, I have laid the pipelines perfectly and I have ensured the watertight joints." Then, how did it happen? I asked. He said, see, sir, these are the entry points. These are the source for your leakage, sir. It's a mistake of the person who laid tiles, sir. So water penetrates through these type of points and finds a way through slope and comes up finally. Then I called the person who laid tiles. Damn it, guys, said a story. What should I do now? I asked. He said, "Sir, you have to use the chemical polyurethane for your tiles to repair. It costs 5,000 rupees. I don't have enough money. What should I do?" Hand gloves are mandatory. Now I'm ready. See, this is the Fosrock grout filler tile joint filler. I don't know why the person who laid tiles didn't use this type of best chemical for filling the joints. Instructions are also given here. This is just 100 rupees per kg. Cheap and best. See, warning, you have to wear gloves. Mix the water for suitable consistency, which is to become a paste, and I am using this wooden piece. It is very thin and not wide. This is very wide sheet, steel sheet is, so I am not using the steel sheet. Instead of the steel sheet, I am using the wooden piece. See, this is the gap. I am applying the material. Then do like this. Remove the material in an unwanted area. Make it very nice. Use this tool, this type of tools which are available in your home. Steel sheet is best, but it should not be wide. See, I have laid this for all tiles. Watertight joints. Guys, one thing to remember is you should have more patience while doing this. You should apply it neatly. Patience is important. Don't do like this. After 7 days, no water drops came out. I'm honestly saying that it worked 100%.